Hello and nice to meet you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can access 900 million images inside of Framer directly for free. And yeah, let's go. So what we are doing, it's pretty simple. We just search for the plugin StockFinder. And now what you can do, you can search for any terms like an apple, and then you can drag it inside. And also we have here the possibility, like we have Unsplash, and we can reorder depending on what kind of source you need. Also, we can set the orientation and find always square images or vertical images depending on what you need. Also, what we can do, we can set a frame. This is our frame, and then I can choose the background image, I choose the plugin, StockFinder, and I can say, okay, I need a door from Openverse, for example, Openverse, and then I choose the image and it adds it as a background. Yeah, this is my plugin StockFinder, and hopefully this is helpful for you to find images. And hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more to the topic of Framer, just subscribe to my channel. And also, we see each other, and have a nice day.